guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY miniature slime kit and test out the slime for you. Will it work? Stay tuned to the end to find out. If you like slime or Starbucks, click that like button. Leave a comment with your favorite kind of slime or your favorite Starbucks drink. If you'd like to see more fun DIY videos, please click that subscribe button. To get started, you will need 3 of these little tiny glitter bottles. Since my glitter bottles weren't empty, I just emptied those into some little cups and put lids on them so I could use the glitter later. Since my bottles were empty, I just washed and cleaned them out. Since this is going to be DIY miniature fluffy slime, the first thing I did was I printed out the label for the shave gel, cut it down to size, and glued it to one of the bottles. Here is the shave gel I will be using, and I just squirted some of that into the mini bottle and placed the cap back on it. A second mini bottle will be for liquid starch, so I printed out the label for that, laminated it, and glued it to the bottle. And if you want to print out these printables, all the links will be down below. To make it easier to get the liquid starch in the mini bottle, I just poured it in a cup and then poured it into the bottle and placed the cap back on. The last mini bottle will be for some pink acrylic paint. Again, I just printed out the label, laminated it, and glued that to the bottle. Fill the bottle with some pink acrylic paint and place the cap back on. To finish off the ingredients for the slime, I'm going to use one of these mini eye drop bottles for the glue. And if you want to learn how to make another slime kit, check out this video for Galaxy, Unicorn, and Mermaid mini slime kits. Okay, back to the mini glue bottle. So I thoroughly washed and cleaned out the eye drop bottle, and I removed the labels from the front and the back. I removed the piece from the top of the bottle, and this just makes it easier to fill. I just filled the little mini bottle with some Elmer's glue. Last thing I did for the glue bottle was print out the label, laminate it, and glue it to the mini bottle. This step is optional, but if you want it to look more like the Elmer's glue, I just took some orange acrylic paint and painted the cap. And here is mine once it was dry. And here are all the little mini bottles that I've made up to this point. Next, I printed out the Starbucks bag, and I just did that on some cardstock paper so it was heavier. Once I had it printed out, then I just cut it out. Once it was cut out, then I just folded on the lines to form the bag. glue along the sides and the bottom to hold the bag together. Here is my bag once it was glued together. To make the handles for the mini bag, I'm just going to cut off one of the handles from a regular sized bag, cut that in half, and then glue it to the mini bag. Here is my bag once the handles were on. And the other things that will be needed to go in this kit are one of these clear plastic portion cups, along with a lid that fits on top. The last thing that you will need is a wooden skewer. I just took and cut that down so I had 2 even pieces. And here is everything that will go into this DIY miniature Starbucks slime kit. Now I'm gonna unpackage it and see if this slime kit works. I started by emptying the glue bottle into the little mini cup. Next, I took one of my sticks and I added some of the paint to the glue and mixed that together. In the other stick, I took some of the shave gel from the bottle, added that to the paint and glue, and mixed that together. Slowly add some liquid starch to the mixture and see if it will form slime. And here is my slime. That worked. And I will show you one additional thing that you can do to complete this DIY miniature Starbucks slime kit in just a second. Once you're done playing with the slime, you can put it back in the cup and place the lid on it. And if you want to make this more like a Starbucks drink, You can take some white Model Magic clay, roll that into a ball and then into a snake shape, and start swirling around the top of the lid to create the whipped cream effect. Here's mine once it was done, and the last thing that you can do is print out a Starbucks logo and place that on the front of the cup. And that's how you make these DIY miniature Starbucks slime kits. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Check out some of my other slime kit videos right here. Leave me a comment, let me know which one is your favorite. Until next time, I hope you guys all have an amazing day.